Let me start with a simple truth. Reliance is not just a company, it's a story of India's ambition. From a small textile enterprise to India's largest private sector organization, we have grown by constantly challenging what is possible. Today, in an era where many graduates rush towards non-core sectors, let me remind you, it's manufacturing that builds nations. Every liter of fuel, every polymer, every material, every yarn that makes modern life possible comes from the kind of complex, world-class plants we operate. Working here means your engineering knowledge directly shapes the world around you. Over the next decade, we aim to make India energy independent and net carbon neutral faster than most global peers. You have the chance to be part of this one-in-a-generation transformation, where engineering meets sustainability at scale. Hi, my name is Sanjeev Singh. Presently, I am holding the position of Group President GMS, which is Group Manufacturing Services, and directly responsible for all the manufacturing activities across Reliance. The GET, or the Graduate Engineer Training program at Reliance, is a very focused one-year program in which we try to transform the fresh engineers to true professionals. We support them throughout their professional journey as they move forward. We celebrate their successes and we support their failures to make sure that these GETs are capable to take over the higher responsibilities as soon as they finish their 12 months training.
Hi, I am Shashank, Site President, Reliance Nagothane. I joined Reliance at GET in 1991. I joined at Patalganga, and Patalganga is in this district, Raigad. And I remember from our inauguration point, and this question was asked that what will we do. So we all said that we want to do heat exchanger design and column design and all. But it was told to us that the money is not made by designing heat exchanger, but deciding where to put that heat exchanger. And that is what the GT program does. So GT program gives you a complete overview of how to make value out of your knowledge. For starting point is always cross-functional introduction of what Reliance is, how Reliance functions, that kind of introduction happens. Then multidisciplinary course happens, which is a classroom. And after that, you go to the plant. You do a deep dive into the plant technology and how the manufacturing happens.
We have refined this program over the years. It's a perfect combination of classroom theoretical inputs clubbed with in-plant training or on-the-job training.
It's a very inclusive, peer-led kind of a learning which happens on the job. Rather than remaining only an engineer, knowing only the how part of it, you learn the why part of it, you also learn the business part of it. You become a complete person rather than just being an engineer.
Hi, I'm Archana Mudalia. I'm the plant manager for the DTA Hydro Treating Complex in Jamnagar Manufacturing Division. Since I come from a family where my father was working in a refinery, so I developed that curiosity to actually know how a process plant works, like how things are transformed. So that curiosity made me take up a basic engineering, that is chemical engineering. Though many of my friends in class 12th, they had chosen to take up computer science and plus jobs abroad, I joined Reliance as a GET. Later, I got the opportunity to become the first women plant manager in Jamnagar Manufacturing Division. And the 1 year of GET training program is helping me even now, because I feel I have more knowledge about the individual functioning of the unit than someone who had directly joined at a higher level. You actually see your decisions getting implemented on the floor level. And the day is so busy and so lively, you forget to actually even look at your watch. So it gives a sense of pride, and it also gives a sense of satisfaction. So I think manufacturing being tough for women is only a myth which many women carry inside, and my own growth is an example for that.
So I invite you all to join the growth of Reliance.
And let's engineer the future together. Jai Hind.